Welcome back again to Cooking with Diska. So today I'm gonna share with you a special recipe. The ingredient is very easy to find and they're also cheap, but believe me, the taste is amazing. So today we're going to cook beef marrow soup and grilled beef marrow. So for that we need beef bone from the leg because they have a lot of marrow in it. So you can go to your closest butcher and then you ask for the leg bone and you ask to cut it, you know, like on the lower feet, just whole like this, like whole. This is for the soup. And then for the grilled bone marrow, then you will ask your butcher to cut half into two, just like this. So we have two kind of beef bone marrow. So sometimes people doesn't like to eat bone marrow because they think it's all fat. But the thing is, this is unsaturated fat. It's a good fat, and then it's have a lot of vitamin in it, and then it's like one of the nutritious food as well. First, I'm going to boil it for 5 minutes just to clear up the dirt and the blood. But I only do that for the beef bone for the soup. I already boiled the water in the pot now. I use a deep pot because we need that for our bone because we have big and long bone. So I'm gonna put it on. Make sure you put the cut open on the top because you don't want to waste the bone marrow inside when you put upside down. We're gonna close it and we will boil it until the bone marrow and the fat outside becomes soft. Sorry guys, I was forgot before. So when we boil the bone marrow I'm going to add the Indonesian spices such as star anise, cinnamon stick, clove, and cardamom pods. Just put everything, and now we can cover. Meanwhile, we're waiting our bone marrow to cook. I'm going to prepare the paste and the vegetable. First, I'm going to make the paste. I have shallot, garlic, and ginger. Let's put a little bit water, and we're going to blend it until smooth. I'm gonna add white pepper and nutmeg powder. I'm gonna divide this paste into two, half for the soup and half for marination for grilled bone marrow. Now I'm going to marinate the bone marrow. We cut in half the one for the grill. Salt. And the paste we made before. We're going to give it a little bit massage so all the spices is inside the bone marrow. this aside. Now we're going to prepare our vegetable. For the veggies, first I have carrot. I'm going to cut it into small pieces. Potato cut into cubes. Tomato, same, cut into cube. And the last one, for the aromatic vegetable, I have celery leaf and spring onion. After 30 minutes, we check our bone marrow. This looks like it's ready now. I'm going to take it out. For the remaining broth, we're going to add the paste we made before. Potato and carrot. And salt. We're gonna cook it until the potato and carrot soft. The potato and carrot already cooked. Now I'm going to turn off the heat. And the finishing touch, you're gonna add the spring onion, celery leaf and tomato. Now our soup is ready to serve with the bone marrow. For the grilled bone marrow, before I grill it, I'm going to put in the oven first for about 20 minutes because it takes long time to cook. But if you don't have oven, then you can boil it for 15 minutes before you grill it. And in here I have for basting, I have melted margarine and sweet soy sauce. You can do with butter as well. Just gonna mix it. And spread it to the bone marrow. I'm gonna cook it for 20 minutes, and every 10 minutes I'm going to take it out and add another basting. Turn on the heat to medium heat. Add butter or margarine. Bone marrow. We add another basting. and turn upside down. We don't have to grate it too long because we already put in the oven before. My bone marrow dishes is ready. Look at this. Unsaturated rolling. I'm gonna try the soup first. Very rich. And for this, you need special utensil. Look. What is called straw. You must wondering what the straw for. This is for this. Just put it on in your bone marrow. Just put a little bit, mix it a little bit, and yum. My goodness, this is amazing. Another one, just put the broth on the top. Mix it again. Yummy. This is heaven. Okay, enough with this. Now I'm gonna try the grilled bone marrow. Oh, look at this, my god. This looks so yummy. How do I eat this? Just gonna take out a little bit. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. When you ask your butcher, you ask them not to cut too much the meat in it, so you still have a little bit fat and meat in it, so you can eat it too. Yum. Oh my goodness, look at this. Anyway, if you like my bone marrow recipe for today, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Indonesian traditional food inspiration. And if you want to know the full recipe and how to do it, you can check the description box. Thank you guys for today and see you in the next video. Bye!